Shelling from Pakistan damaged several religious sites and homes in Indian Kashmir near the Pakistani border on the second day of major clashes between the nuclear-armed neighbours on Thursday. Residents here are calling for a ceasefire after a statement released by the Indian government said 16 lives were lost in the cross-border fire. It comes as Pakistan said it shot down 25 drones from India in its airspace on Thursday. India said it neutralised Pakistan's attempts to strike military targets with drones and missiles. The fighting has spread a day after India said it hit terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan in the early hours of Wednesday. This footage, posted by the Indian Army on X, whose date and location was unable to be verified by Reuters, is said to show terrorist camps being destroyed in Pakistan and Pakistan-administered Kashmir. The escalation has been sparked 2 weeks after India accused Pakistan of involvement in an attack on Indian Kashmir in which 26 people, mostly Hindu tourists, were killed. Islamabad had denied the accusation and vowed to retaliate to missile strikes. Pakistan says at least 31 of its civilians were killed and dozens wounded in Wednesday's strikes and in cross-border shelling across the frontier in Kashmir. Pakistan's information minister told Parliament Pakistani forces had killed 40 to 50 Indian soldiers on the de facto border and blown Indian military installations. On Thursday, Indian government ministers in New Delhi said the strikes on Pakistan had killed more than 100 terrorists and that the count was still ongoing, government sources said. Reuters could not independently verify claims of both countries. Both governments have pledged to respond if one attacks the other. However, ministers from both sides have said they don't intend to escalate the situation or are ready to de-escalate. The US, China and Russia have urged both sides to show restraint in the interests of peace and stability and have offered support. The relationship has been fraught with tension since India and Pakistan gained independence from colonial Britain in 1947. The countries have fought 3 wars, 2 of them over Kashmir, and clashed countless times.